So what we have here is wall mounted panel with 2 DGMA, 1 chlorine compact controller and 1 pH compact controller. So what we will do is we will connect 1 pH in one sensor casing with the compact controller, and I will connect it with the pump, so it will dose automatic. Will be automatic dosing system. So let's jump in for the pH, and the chlorine will be the same. So here we have the pH cable sensor, which is connected already, will be connected in the panel. This is the flow sensor cable, which will be connected in XK1 with the sensor. The flow sensor will be in the housing. Here what we have here is this is the control cable for the concept pump, which we will be using it for the F relay, which is XR2. So here we will go and connect the black and the brown together, and we'll go to the XR2, which is this one. We'll put both together in number 1, which is this one. We'll just press the white button here and push both cables inside. And the blue in terminal number 2. So that's pretty much the connections that we have: the power, the control cable for the pump, the flow switch, and the sensor control cable. So we'll close it. So let's start with the settings here. So now it will be on pause because the flow switch is we have no liquid inside, so it will be on pause. So we'll go inside menu, we'll go down for control, press OK. Which, if you want the pH to go down, so we'll have to put the dosing on the arrow down. If you want to dose base, you have to put the arrow up. So we'll go OK. With the arrow up, we'll put it up, then again press OK. It will ask you if you want it for sure. You'll press until it's come yes, and you press OK. So the dosing will be up. For this panel, we are going to put it down because we are going to dose acid. Then we'll say yes. If we need the pH more than 7, we have the curves here for the side. We can go for 6 or 8, as much as we want. So for this one we are going for 7. Then we'll press OK. The type of the dosing, if you need it on proportion or PID or manual. For this system we are going for P for proportion dosing. Then we go back with the escape. We go back to the input. This is the sensor pH. If you have ORP sensor, we'll go with ORP, but this one we have pH sensor. Then we go down for output. The output, the P relay, it's unused. The F relay that we are going to use, we'll press OK. We'll say dosing. And this is pretty much it. So we go back, and this is the cable for the sensor, which we will be able to connect it with this sensor. This is the pH sensor. We can remove it from the housing, and we will remove only this cap here. We can remove this cap so we can fix the sensor inside the sensor housing. Now we are not going to do it, so we'll keep it on its housing, protected with the liquid inside. Just remove the cap and fix the sensor like this, and that's it. Just we can fix it inside the DGMA or sensor housing. So for this system we are going to use the simulator that it's connected already with the pump. So now as the set point is 7, we have here 0, and we have here pause because the flow switch has no contact with water. What we are going to put, we are going to push it down until we have a contact, and then we run the simulator. Now it's more than 7. If you can see here, we have -4%. That means it's a little bit more above the set point. When we go above the down the set point, it will go to 0. Then when we go up again, it will start working. And the pump here, it should be on external or extern. That means it's taking a signal from somewhere else. So if you can see, as we go down with the pH, the percentage is going down. The sound of the dosing pump, it's coming less and less until it's reach of 7 or -7. Here it's 4%, -4%. It will take a little bit time for dosing. So here it's 0% now, so we will not have any dosing.